Take one. I have no idea what's going to come out here, so we'll just see. This is Cold Wind on Naked Skin. Words by Kyra Kennedy, music and performance by Gimp. Greatness waits. Water in I make the rain. Branches heave for fall. Hyenas scream. Coyotes cry out. I slither through the stars canopy. Oh, got it. Ooh, what she wanted, Mama's house. Oh, Mama's house. Oh, Mama's house. Oh, Mama's house. So much for glory, so much for grinning. We'll take it on up to bed. Flashlight under covers. Sit off sketches, burning in. Myself free. California sunshine where I need to be. Set myself free. California sunshine where I need to be. Set myself free. California sunshine where I need to be. Stroke its sweet little throat. Go ahead and try to chase the muse. Chase the muse. It's a pedal paradigm. Red poppy pomegranate blossom. It's the petal paradigm. Red poppy pomegranate blossom. It's the red paradigm. Red poppy pomegranate blossom. Oh, you can't ever go nose to nose with the muse. The best you can get is somewhere close to parallel. Parallel. Acceleration across the desert flatlands. Salt spray kicking up. It's the pedal paradigm. Red poppy pomegranate blossom. Best thing you can do when the poem is chasing you. When the poem is chasing you. Best thing you can do. Just open your doors. Somewhere in the permanent green. Until the next carbon line arrives. Well, she lives there too. She's like moss asleep until the water hits her. Like a sleeping soul in the heavens unbound. Like a great solar flare. An expulsion of remnant star particles. An infinity be measured. She wears a lace-edged veil of infinity around her face. Oh, around her beautiful face. Around her beautiful face. Around her beautiful face. me when to depart on this journey, for there is no calendar. Her time is not linear. Her time is unsimilar. Calendar, we work on her time. Her time is not linear. Her time is unsimilar to that of a clock rotation or a season turn. But there may be music and there may, oh, there may be rhythm. Oh, there may be rhythm. Perhaps forgiving. In the darkness sets her free. She remembers the words on your wall. Oh, the words on your wall. Lord have mercy. Even then they appeared like a harbinger, a signal to a convivial meeting, a place where the willow trees with all their splendor. Oh, and what splendor it was. Oh, Lord have mercy, what splendor it was. where the willow trees unfurled with all the splendor. Oh, what a splendor it was. How the days look so different now, but the muse's arms are still around. Whoa, like the gates of heaven, like the gates of heaven, like the gates of heaven. Lord, have mercy. And when you find your path is laid by the most delicate poppy red petals of the pomegranate, pomegranate expialidocious, supercalifragilistic expialidocious, by the most delicate poppy red petals of the pomegranate tree. Well, then you'll know. Well, then you'll know. Lord have mercy, God damn it, you'll know. You'll feel it in your bones. You'll get goosebumps on your skin. You'll get a tingle all over your head, and your ears will start to itch and buzz like you ate something really spicy. You'll know she's quite near. So swing side to side, swing side to side and find her. Oh Lord, you gotta find her. Here in the night, here in the night, here in the night, swinging side to side, alongside, close your eyes. You wrap up tighter and lean in close, and lean in very close. Close your eyes. Reverberations of what might have been. Reverberations of what might have been. Lord have mercy, what might have been. Oh, can you dig it? I knew you could. Can hear the bugs snoring back up. Oh, Bug, I love you. I love you so much, my buddy. All right, there you go. I kind of like that. Works for me. Yeah, but where's the bridge? There is no fucking bridge, all right? Just shut up about the fucking bridge. We can add the bridge if we want to later. It'll come to me. Can't force the fucking bridge. The bridge will come. If you build it, he will come. There you go. All right then.